Good morning everyone, my name is Christine Jovel Apilian, and for today's video, I'll be going to a tailor shop and learning how to operate a manual sewing machine, and I'll be sharing you what are my experience on operating a manual sewing machine. Let's start the video. The chosen tailor shop that I chose is Melvister shop. Here you can see Lola measuring out on how the pattern should be. I'm showing you the manual sewing machine that we'll be using. And in here I'm showing the bobbin compartment and the bobbin case. As you can see here, Lola is demonstrating us on how to operate the manual sewing machine. For her, it may sound easy when looking at it, but in reality, it is harder than it looks. Especially when using a manual sewing machine, you should have both of your feet in the pedal stool, and that shouldn't be stiff when stepping on the pedal stool. As you can see here, Lola is putting up together the bodies or the pattern earlier that she was making.
Kasi may experience namin Lola, explain nga experience ni panagay di manual Lola.
As you hear in the background of the video, we're chatting with Lola or the dressmaker on how to operate and explain why we need this video and show us how to operate a sewing machine, manual sewing machine. And in this part, I was struggling on how to operate it. As you can see there, Lola is in the background. As you can see that I'm struggling, really struggling here on how to operate it. That is Cardenas. And a while later, as you see here, Lola is showing me and demonstrating me on how to operate it. So, here, in this part, now I know how to operate it. Lola said to try again, but this time without her assistance. And sewing isn't easy, guys. As you can see, I'm struggling. So wasn't that fun? But for real, because sewing isn't really easy, especially if you have access to an antique manual sewing machine. It is limited, especially on how the patterns or the sewing stitches is made. So whenever you pass by a tailor shop or seeing a grandma or grandpa doing or operating a manual sewing machine, try to help them and learn about them. Learn how to operate it, because nowadays electrical sewing machines is now a thing, and nobody cares as much as the old generations on how to operate a manual sewing machine. So, from my experience, my learning experience for sewing machine is that as easy as it looks, it isn't easy at first. You should be always guided by someone who knows how to operate it. But when you get the hang of it of using a manual sewing machine, just like Lola in the video, you may find it very easy to operate it. Especially for Lola, she passed a NC2 of dressmaking. I'll be showing some pictures in the video of her NC2 of dressmaking. That's all for this video. I hope you enjoy of me explaining and how my experience went well. And that's all for today. My name is Christine Jewel Adrian from Beta Lead HE3, and see you around.